So in today's video, I'm here to talk to you guys about what is your why when it comes down to starting your trading journey or when it comes down to investing your money into the stock market. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. And I am here, back at it again with another video for you guys. So, my account hasn't been funded yet. I still have to wait one more day for the money to go through. And I'm not going to start like trading until I have at least like $400 to $500 in my account. Now, I have been practicing on the demo, right? Because my subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between demo and real money. It just knows what it sees, right? And obviously, like when you practice on the demo, it is $50,000. So me seeing that lump sum of money and then like placing trades with it, it is teaching me how the account will move with a large sum of money. Now, to some people, 50,000 is not a lot, but to somebody like me, if you have 50K in an investment account or in a trading account, you got some capital. All right. First reason why I am challenging myself to learn this skill is because trading is one of the toughest things that a person can teach themselves, right? A lot of us want to become financially free, obviously, and a lot of us don't want to be caught up in this construct of, working for somebody else for 40, 50, 60 years of your life, and then you retire and then that's it. I feel like there's life. Well, it's not even I feel. I know that there's life outside of your job, right? And of course, you can use the income from your job to help fund your future, of course. But you don't want to strictly rely on just your job because, number one, these people can get rid of you whenever they want, you know? Number two, you should be able to be self-sufficient and be able to think for yourself, right? And then number three, you don't want to rely on anybody besides yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's real talk. So with that being said, like I said, I have been teaching myself how to trade. And of course, you guys already know I'm in the stock market. Stock market hasn't really been doing much this year. It's honestly been on a downtrend, right? It's been very, very bearish. And I've been, scooping up shares, this, that, and the third, and just staying patient. That's the second reason. That exact word, patience, right? That's another reason why I am teaching myself how to trade, is because I want to add another level of patience to my life, right? And regardless if I become profitable in a year, if it takes 2 years, even if it takes a couple months, however long it takes, the time of my life is going to go by regardless, and we live in such this instant gratification world where I want to get rich tomorrow, I want to get rich next week. If not, then I don't care about it. You can't really think that you're gonna just get rich overnight, bro. Everything takes time, and if you study, take action, if you stay consistent, you're bound to make things happen. But you can't think with such a small mentality or such a small mindset. You cannot think that the world owes you this or owes you that, or everything's supposed to go your way. Like, life does not work like that. Okay? If everything went your way, I'm pretty sure you would be kind of like bored with life. But if you were given a challenge, if the universe was to challenge you and tell you like, okay, this is what you want, we're gonna put you through this, and this, then it'll make life a little bit more fun. Like, for example, when I first started at the post office, it was a challenge. Those first 90 days that I had to endure was a challenge for me, bro. like that's just a realistic thing. I'm learning a new job. I'm learning how to be in a new environment. You know, I'm learning how to deliver mail and deliver medicine and packages, and this everything is just new, and it has helped strengthen my mentality. You know, same thing with being on semen retention. You first start the journey, it's tough. You don't know what to expect. You don't really know how long you could go without releasing. Your brain is still wired to watch PMO videos, X, Y, and Z. But the more that you challenge yourself, the further away you get from PMO, the more progression you see. So this is just another challenge for me, mentally, spiritually, and of course financially. I guess you could say like the third thing is I've been continuing to watch, psychology videos. I've been continuing to watch, like just different trading videos, learning from different traders. And a lot of them will tell you, bro, like some of us on YouTube, right, we see the glitz and glamour, bro. We see it all the time. We see the cars, we see the big houses, we see the materialistic aspect of their business. But you don't see the capital. You don't see the long nights. You don't see the losses that they've taken. You don't see that unless they show it to you, And I'm coming into this journey reminding myself, bro, you don't know nothing. You just need to study and you need to stay consistent. Because once, once I got like a couple dollars in my account and I start actually trading real money, it's a total different ballgame. Yeah, the demo, I'm seeing it and I'm like, I know this is not real money, but I'm still seeing it. So that subconsciously I have a goal where it's like, all right, that's one of the goals I want to reach. 50,000 in a trading account. Also 50K in an investing account. And then of course you guys, I've been telling you how the goal already too. One of the goals, 100K. That's just real stuff. It's just training in psychology. And knowing like, bro, when you place a trade, that's it. You don't have control over the trade. You don't know what the market is going to do. So many people try to, sell you strategies or sell you this. And, oh, if you just read my course or if you just grasp onto my strategy, you can make money. Nobody can tell you what the market is going to do. That's just the facts. Nobody's is a genie. Nobody's Houdini, right? So... And for anybody that is creating courses or you do have a strategy, whatever, and you're helping people, then cool. But at the end of the day, even that person that's selling you the course or selling you the strategy, they know I don't really know what's gonna happen. I can just go based off of my bias. I can read the market and take a guess of what I think is gonna happen. But at the end of the day, nobody knows anything. Real talk. Right? So I remind myself, bro, you don't know nothing. Just like I said, study. Use the demo account to keep practicing, and then when it's time for you to take action in your real live account, is good games. Let's do it. Let's have fun. Another thing too that I remind myself too is to always maintain different sources of income. Anybody that's in a stock market or anybody that has a trading account, of course, they should have other sources of income. Because you don't want to rely solely on just trading or solely on just investing. Because trading is a business. Let's just keep it 1,000, right? Trading is a business. Investing, in a way, it is a business because you're making financial decisions, right? You're putting your money to work. You're risking your money. Yeah, you worked for the money. Now you have to put it to use. Because if you don't, then we're getting cooked by inflation, right? You're getting cooked by prices still going up, still rising, and you're looking at life in the box, right? Instead of thinking outside of the box, which is what you should do. So this is just a skill that I've been reminding myself, like, add this to your repertoire, use your energy on SR to help you on this journey, and take what comes with it, bruh. Am I thinking, oh, I'm going to win every trade? No. I know that, yes, I'm bound to lose some trades. But I'm not. I'm also learning risk management, right? I'm not about to be one of them people that's like, all right, I got $500 or I got $400 in my account. I'm about to risk $200. No, you're wilding. Slow down, buddy. Build the capital. You understand what I'm saying? and then make smart decisions, and then learn from people that are where you want to be. You know, I'm not coming in here with like ego and pride and saying, oh, I know it all. Oh, I got this. Blah, blah, blah. No, right. I'm going to learn from the greats, and I'm going to take massive action. And then as time progresses, I'm going to keep on improving and keep on improving and keep on getting better and keep on learning. You know, it's like last night I was up, I'm looking at the charts. Today I'm studying. I'm taking action on the demo account once again. Today the market is on a downtrend, you know, and you can't go against the market trend because the market doesn't care about how you feel. It don't care about if your rent is due. It don't care what bills you got to take care of. It don't care if you got to eat. The market does not care about you. It just cares if you're gonna learn how to get better financially and take action. Then the market is here for you. This is what you need to do. But at the end of the day, the market don't know we exist, right? It just knows. Listen, we're gonna go through periods of uptrends, bullish. We're going to go through periods of downtrends, bearish. We're going to also consolidate, where the market don't know what it wants to do. But at the end of the day, this is just a journey that I'm willing to take. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, I use Tradeovate. I've, instead I had to wait 3 days, I thought the money was going to be here today, but it's not. So, obviously, it'll more than likely be there tomorrow, which is cool. And then I'll probably more than likely will have to make a couple more deposits and then start. So I'll give myself some more time, keep on studying, also listening to audio books, and prepare myself mentally and staying disciplined too. You know what I'm saying? Because that's another thing. Like, you have to stay disciplined. This is not a gamble. This is not a get rich fast. I want to get rich tomorrow. I want to get rich next week. No, this is a long-term journey to where, like I said, you got to run this like a business, bro. You know? And then my first day on the demo, I made like, the account was at, like, the P&L was at like 10,000, right? But overall for the day, I made like 7K on the demo. So I'm like, let's go, like, this is fire. I like it. You know what I'm saying? And just overall, like I said, just learning more about myself, learning more about, you know, taking risks, taking a chance, all while still handling things that life throws at me, bro. I'm not some perfect person. I'm not some person that just got it all together. Like, nah, bro. There's pieces of myself that I'm still putting back together, and only I can do the work. You know? So, but I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you gained something from it. If you're a new trader, if you're returning, if you're a new trader, this is for you. If you are already in the markets, keep going. Shout out to everybody in the SR community, everybody that's been supporting the YouTube channel. And thank you, God. Thank you, God, for another opportunity that you're allowing me to see my internal power and how I can change my life, you know? Yeah, so I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back at it with some more videos.